Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix add background song on Snapchat is not working. So let's get started. Well, if you want to add a background song on Snapchat but it's not working, then the first thing that you can do is to check your Wi-Fi. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi again. And if you're using cellular data, then you can turn off and turn on your data again. And if there's no wrong with your Wi-Fi, then you can go to Play Store and go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Now hit search. So as you see here, it says update. So this might be the problem why you can't add background song on Snapchat. So tap on update. And now wait till the app is fully up to date. Now if this doesn't work, then go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, choose the second option, manage apps. And now go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Hit search. Now tap on it. After that, choose clear data, then clear cache and confirm. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. These are the two ways to fix add background song on Snapchat is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.